Hi, Helen here. So I am literally just going to demonstrate a video using our Moodstruck powder blush. It's a limited edition in Serene. So it's the lighter shade. Just open it up. But it's also got a gorgeous shimmer to it. So practically, when you're putting it on, you're going to be putting your blusher and a highlighter in one. So completely ideal for quickness, because you haven't got to do two different things, because you're doing a two-in-one job. So once you've got your foundation on, literally get your blusher brush. Now obviously when applying, you always go from your cheek up to the top of your ear here, not that part but this part where it joins onto your scalp. Yeah, so you're going to smile and go from your apple to the top of your ear. So I'm just going to pick up a little bit. Obviously always tap off the excess. Smile and always upwards to your from your cheek. So it just literally just touches. So it's really lovely and gentle. And in the light, just bounce. I'm just going to put some light on. And you can start seeing the shimmer on it. I'll just do the other side. It's just slightly catching the apple of your eye and always sweeping up to your ear. You can really see the shimmer now. See the light bouncing off it. Really soft, really subtle. Actually, it gives you a nice glowing effect and two-in-one job. So don't forget, all my products can be ordered through my website or contact me myself directly if you need any help with colour matching. So thank you for watching. Bye.